This is the bridge that leads you to the house where a clear and present danger was filmed. It sits up here on the hill. This is the only way they have of getting to their house is down through the bottom here. There's pieces of the roadway that have just been picked up and moved away. This is unbelievable. There's a car that thinks they're going to try and come across the bridge. Huh? Unbelievable.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
My wife's stuck in Maryland.
You haven't got stuck. I just told him, you get stuck in 4 hours later.
That's what I heard.
Yeah, brutal.
I just told her stay there.